Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to explain you the ways to expedite a patent process. Maybe you are aware of this fact that normally a patent process takes 3 to 5 years and it's a long time. So from the filing date to 3 to 5 years just to wait to get a certificate is a long time for an inventor, for a company. So it's a burning question. People want to understand, is there any way to speed up the process? What could be the forms that we should apply with to get the patent process done a little sooner? So yes, there is an answer to it. We can, through some special forms, expedite the patent process and get it completed within 2 years. There are two special forms. One is early publication form and another is expedited examination request form. So let us understand them one by one, that what are these forms, why should we apply with them, and how would they speed up the process. So what happens is, normally when we apply a patent application, it gets published on completion of 18 months, and once it is published, then only the examination process starts. So the examination process is on hold until the patent application is published. So for the 18 months, it's on hold. So we have to just wait for the patent to be published, and then the examination process will start. So it's a kind of wastage of time. But when we apply through early publication form, let us say for example your patent is prepared, now you have to prepare the forms and then apply with those forms at the patent office website. Please include one more form, which is early publication form, or ask your agency to include that form, which is form 9, early publication form. It helps you speed up the publication process, because until the publication process is done, the examination process doesn't start. So the application, which as per the normal laws is published on completion of 18 months, can be published within just 1 month through early publication form. So through this form, the time is almost 1/18, almost 18 months, 17 months subtracted, and this publication work is done in just 1 month. So your work is published within 1 month. Now it is set for the examination process. It is in the queue of the examination process. So this is one of the ways to speed up the patent application process. Half of the patent application process we can speed up through this form, and rest speeding up would be done through a different form, which is expedited examination request form. So if you apply through normal examination, then there is no timeline when will you receive the examination report. Could be 1 year or 2 years, could be 3 years. You have to just wait to receive the examination report. It's in a normal queue of a big queue of applications, overloaded applications, all the examiners overloaded with so many applications. It's in that stack, and when your turn will come, then only it will be examined depending on their work culture at the patent office or their workload, depending on the employees they're having. This time could be 2 years or 3 years. But if you want to put that application in the list of priority applications, which need to be cleared faster, this application puts your application into a queue of priority list and speeds the whole process. It is expected that you can receive the examination report within just 3 months. As per the laws, it is within 3 months, but sometimes I have seen cases wherein it is received within 6 months also. But yes, within 6 months, within 3 to 6 months, it is expected that you will receive the examination report, and then you can start with the next steps, which are to responding back to examination report, and then hearing, and then finally the grant decision. So the overall process, which takes 3 to 5 years, could be the timing could be reduced to within 2 months through these two special forms. But one thing to note here is, expedited examination request would not be filed with each and everyone who just wants to apply. There is an eligibility criteria. If you fall under that criteria, then only you are eligible to file through expedited examination request. Startups, small entities, group of individuals with one of the applicants as a female applicant, and government finance companies, government funded companies, government agencies, or the companies who file through under some international agreement like PPH applications. All these types of companies and who fall under these types of criteria can apply for expedited examination request. They are eligible for this, but not the large entities like higher education institutions, universities, large entities. They are sometimes not eligible for this application. So hope this makes it very clear that through early publication form and through expedited examination request form, we can speed up the process of patent application. We can reduce that timeline of 3 to 4 to 5 years to within 2 years, and then it's the beauty about these two types of applications. Let me just tell you the government fees also for this. I think I've forgotten. For early publication form, the government fees for MSMEs and individuals is 2,500, and for large entities it is 5 times higher. And for expedited examination request, the government fees for individuals and MSMEs is 8,000. If you like such kind of videos, do let me in the comment box what are the other topics you want me to create a video on, and give me a thumbs up to boost my confidence to prepare such kind of videos and make you aware about the complete patent registration process as early as possible for me, as in when I get time. Please just comment and give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.